Hello and welcome to Mentoring the Mentors, an institute that accelerates your learning curve. My dear educators, this is Meenakshi Narula, and at Mentoring the Mentors, what do? You accelerate your learning curve. You keep on exploring different kinds of activities, different strategies to make your classes engaging and enriching and exciting. We keep you up to date with activities for all seasons, for every reason. So, my dear educators, before I begin with today's video, I would like to wish you all very happy National Technology Day. Yes, my lovely educators, today is National Technology Day, and for that, we have already received a circular as well from CBSE that's there on the screen now. My dear educators, CBSE has shared this circular with us. Stated 10th of May, like yesterday, we have received this circular. This is related to celebrating National Technology Week in our schools. Government of India has declared 11th of May as National Technology Day in year 1999, and it has been decided to celebrate this year's National Technology Day as National Technology Week. Starting from right today, 11th of May till 14th of May, you can conduct different kinds of activities in your classes for different age groups, right? So, my lovely educators, the theme of the event that we are going to celebrate 25th year of National Technology Day, and the theme is School to Start Up, igniting young minds to innovate. So, wherein students from the schools across the country engaged with Atal Tinkering Labs under Atal Innovation Mission of Government of India will be participating and showcasing technological innovations right at Pragati Maidan. So, the students who are there and Delhi NCR, the teachers, they can go and they can visit this exhibition as well. 11th of May, 3 p.m. onwards today, right? To 13th May 2023 till 5 p.m. So if you want, you make sure if it is feasible for you, do visit this exhibition. And if it's not feasible for you, otherwise also you can conduct different activities. All the schools may celebrate National Technology Week in the campus by organizing various activities. What sort of activities? Quiz competition, poster making, essay writing competition, etc. Now, who is going to give you the meaning of etc.? Who is going to fill in this etc. with different activities? Yes, my lovely educators, this is me, Meenakshi Narula. I'll be sharing with you number of activities, number of strategies that you can have in your classes in order to celebrate National Technology Week. And is clearly mentioned a brief report of the above along with 2-3 photographs of the activities to be uploaded on the given link. I'll be sharing the link in the description box below as well. My lovely educators, don't forget to check the description box because I always keep on sharing different links and different resources over there, right? So make sure you check it out. And my lovely educators, those who are the members, those who have joined our channel as member, they'll be getting extra resources as well, right? So my dear educators, here you go. Still activities are for everyone, right? Though I'll be sharing some extra resources for those teachers who have joined us as members. So my lovely educators, if I talk about activities, so I have jotted down a few activities for you all. So here you go, my dear educators. National Technology Day is a great opportunity to engage the students. Already it has been shared by CBSE. Like since 1999, we have been celebrating this day as National Technology Day. But this year we will be celebrating the same as National Technology Week. So whole week is there. So we will be conducting different activities to cater to the needs of different learners. So some of the age appropriate activities are technological inventions exhibitions. If there are some students in your school who have made some projects related to design thinking, maybe technology, you can organize exhibition in your school, right? Like for example, if you have aerobay lab, you have robotics lab, you have computer, obviously that is there, right? IT, AI related to their student, they can showcase whatever they have done. And coding challenge. Nowadays, you see in the schools, there are students, they're learning coding as well. So for that, you can also conduct some coding challenge activities where students, they can solve technology related problems using coding language, right? Appropriate for their age group. We're not going to create a stressful environment. Technological quiz. Arrange a technology themed quiz as it is mentioned by CBSE as well. Quiz related to that can be conducted in the class, maybe focusing on significant inventions, historical milestones, current trends in the world of technology. Divide the students into team, and you can also rename the teams with the persons who have done a lot of work, inventions in the field of technology. Now, tech infused art is everywhere. Combine art and technology by encouraging students to create digital artwork using various softwares and apps. They can explore digital painting, 3D painting is there, graphic designs, Canva is there, and even create interactive art installation using sensors and microcontrollers. This activity fosters creativity, digital literacy, and artistic expression. Hannah, innovative. Now, if I talk about design thinking workshop, you can introduce students to design thinking methodologies. Number of courses, they are freely available on the internet if you explore for design thinking, right? Go ahead and let your students, let them explore. You also can explore, go ahead with that and then share it with your students. Challenge them to solve the real world problems using technology, guide them through the process of empathizing, defining the problem, ideating, prototyping, and testing. Ye kya hai? What is this? These are the steps of design thinking. We start always with empathizing, then we define the problem, defining, then we ideate, like what we have to do, we brainstorm, okay, and then we set the prototypes, and then we test those prototypes, and then the cycle goes on, right? So this is design thinking. You can conduct that also in your classes. You can share the same with your students. Let your students go ahead with the peer tutoring and explain each other what is design thinking all about. Tech innovation debates can be conducted. Organize a debate on the topic of technological innovations and their impact on the society. Divide your students into team representing different perspectives and assign them roles to argue for or maybe against a specific technology. So, this activity enhances critical thinking, research, and public speaking. Obviously, when the students will be thinking critically, what is right, what is wrong, they are speaking for or maybe against, and they are researching also, collecting appropriate data, organizing the same, and then speaking the same confidently, right? So, oratory skills are also enhanced. Virtual reality exploration. Set up virtual reality stations where students they can experience virtual tours of historic sites, scientific simulations, or even virtual field trips of different parts of the world. So this immersive experience enables students to explore different subjects, history, science, geography, culture, using technology. Perfect way to integrate different subjects. Subject integration activity. Now, my lovely educators, make sure when you conduct these activities, you have to remember these activities should suit particular age group. So, and resources should be available to you. If the resource is not available, you can go always for some alternatives, right? So, where will you get those alternatives? Here, right here at Mentoring the Mentors. So, let's go ahead with Howard Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. So, there are 9 different MIs, and for that different activities, I'm going to suggest you, my lovely educators. If we go ahead with the linguistic intelligence, conduct a technology themed storytelling session where students they can narrate stories about technological advancements and they can write articles discussing the impact of technology on the society. So storytelling is a wonderful pedagogy. You can integrate the same in your technology celebration as well. So now logical mathematical intelligence organize a technology based problem solving challenge that requires the students to use logical reasoning, mathematical concepts, so that they'll be able to solve technological puzzles and create algorithms, right? So maths and technology, IT, AI teachers, computer science teachers, they can sit together and they can plan the same. Spatial intelligence, engage students in 3D modeling, graphic designing activity, where they can create digital representations of technological inventions or design virtual prototypes for future gadgets. Yes, your students they can do. At our school also, the students they come up with innovative app designing, innovative 3D models, graphic designs. So let them go ahead, let them explore this world by the future architects. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence, arrange hands-on activity where students they can assemble and program simple robots using robotic kits, right? They can explore the principles of mechanics and coding through physical interaction. As in our school, we also have some this kind of aerobay lab where the students they design aeroplanes, they understand the coding, and then they go ahead with the proper way, like how to go about it. So each and every step is explained through design thinking, right? So do explore that. I'll be sharing the link of that video also in the description box below. Musical intelligence. Invite students to compose and perform songs or jingles related to technology. They can create lyrics that highlight the significance of technological advancements or the role of innovation in society. Music and technology, perfect integration. So my dear educators, even you see, I remember a few years ago, maybe for our little ones, the primary children, we conducted this activity. Like we gave them freedom to come up with various jingles. If we, what we have to do to stay safe, this was all about netiquettes. This was all about passwords, and they came up with wonderful jingles and rhymes. Likewise, your students, they can also come up with innovative ideas. Talking about interpersonal intelligence, facilitate a group discussion or a debate on ethical implication of technology. This is again all about etiquettes, netiquettes. Students can share their opinion, listen to the other's perspective, and engage in respectful dialogue. This is very important. Like while using internet, while being online, right, while using technology on this cyberspace, we have to follow some ethics, and we need to stay away from cyber crimes, right? We have to be aware about cyber security. So you can conduct such kinds of workshops also, and let the students engage in such kinds of debates and discussions and dialogue exchange activities. If I talk about intrapersonal intelligence, self reflection, provide time for self reflection. The children, they can go ahead with the journal writing about the personal experience, about the interactions with the technology. Like they can share their own feelings, thoughts, attitudes towards technology. What is their thinking about that? Like how they are looking at this tech world through their lens, whatever they are having. So talking about naturalistic intelligence, take students for a nature walk, field trip. Of nature or technology kaise? They can use technology, maybe smartphones, their tablets, so that they'll be able to document, they'll be able to click the pictures, they'll be able to identify plants, animals using Google Lens, using Microsoft Lens, right? They'll be able to click the picture and you'll be able to get all the details for that. That is nature walk plus technology, right? You can ask them to come up with beautiful, you see, capturing moments. Can they capture moments, right, while enjoying in the nature? Yes, they can certainly do. They can go ahead with photography or videography as per their choice. Existential intelligence, engage students in philosophical discussions about the role of technology in shaping human existence and its impact on future. Encourage them to contemplate questions related to ethics, purpose, and long-term consequences of technological advancements. My dear educator, जब हम existential intelligence की बात करते हैं, when we talk about philosophical discussions about role of technology, like how technology is shaping humans existence, like what we were and what are we now. Like you can integrate the same with ethics also, right? You can integrate the same spirituality as well. So these activities cater to different intelligences and allow students to explore the technology in diverse and meaningful ways. Going ahead with number of another activities, if I talk about Bloom's taxonomy based activities, starting from remembering the lower order thinking skills. For the younger ones, at least we have to start with lower order thinking skills first. Create a technology themes, memory games can be made where students, they can match the technological terms with the definitions or match the inventions with the inventors. This is also important for them to know. So this activity reinforces rather knowledge, recall, and recognition. Understanding. Have your students research and create multimedia presentations explaining the basics of the principle behind significant technological innovation. Now they have understood about innovations. Who has been involved in that innovation? Now they're explaining the same. They are sharing their understanding with others. So that means that it's a step ahead from remembering. Second level, understanding. Still, these 2 points, these two levels, they are there in lower order thinking skill. Going ahead with applying, coming to the higher order thinking skills, assign a project where students, they design, they create a technology based solution to the real world problem. Now they are conducting research, they are applying their knowledge so that they will be able to solve the real world problem. So application, right? So they need to apply that knowledge. Analyzing, provide students with case studies. scenarios related to technological advancement and ask them to analyze the benefits, the drawbacks, and the ethical considerations of these innovations. They can present their findings in a structural report or a class discussion as per your choice. Talk about evaluation. Engage students in technology प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू एक्टिविटी इवेल्युएशन में क्या करते हैं हमारे पास एक पैरामीटर्स होते हैं वी हैव गॉट अ लिस्ट ऑफ पैरामीटर्स एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी इवेल्युएट आवर प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक व्हाट एवर प्रोडक्ट वी आर हैविंग रिलेटेड टू टेक्नोलॉजी एज पर आवर नीड्स एज पर द गिवन स्टैंडर्ड्स or the parameters we just evaluate like how it is beneficial for us or maybe for the society or world at large. So they'll be able to write their reviews, create the video presentations, audio presentations, or maybe the written reports. That's up to them. That's up to you how you guide them, being mentors. Now going ahead with another four more activities rather, creating the creation level. Challenge the students to design and develop their own technology based innovation. They should consider the target audience, functionality, potential impact, and the students they can present their creation through prototypes, the posters, and multimedia presentations. Creation level क्या है? Design level, something new that doesn't exist, like they are coming up with their own idea. So that's what we call it is a risk taking activity also. Let your students be the risk takers and come up with innovative ideas. गलती नहीं होगी तब तक सीखेंगे कैसे? Let them come up with that. Failures are always the stepping stones for success, right? Failures, they just denote how many times at least we have tried. Divide students into groups, design each group a different technology related topic. Like this is all about again application, as I have shared earlier too. You can do it individually, you can do it in groups, right? Come up with various kinds of application, how they'll be able to implement their knowledge to solve the real world life problems. Let them analyze technological innovations or breakthrough. Ask them analyze its impact on the various aspects of society, how technology is affecting society, education, healthcare, transportation in positive or maybe the negative ways. Let them come up with that. When we come up with compare and contrast, right? So that's a Venn diagram. That will always give you remember. You will be able to remember like that is about analyzing, compare and contrast. Talking about again remembering some kind of trivia games, quizzes, etc. You can conduct in your classes. So my lovely educators, I hope you have enjoyed knowing about all these activities. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, conduct such activities in your classes, right? Starting from 11th of May till 14th of May, celebrate National Technology Day. Again, I would like to wish you very happy National Technology Day from Mentoring the Mentors. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you from Mentoring the Mentors, Meenakshi Narula. Have a nice day.